Presidential election only a few months away, there is a lot of concerns and just uncertainty when it comes to mortgage rates and where the real estate industry is heading. You might think that elections have a big impact on home prices and mortgage rates, but it's not necessarily as much as you might think. Check out these 3 statistics. Hopefully, you'll feel a little bit better afterwards. So number 1, home sale volume has actually gone up in 9 out of the last 11 election cycles in the year following the presidential election. This means that more people were buying and selling homes the year after the election. Number 2, mortgage rates have actually decreased leading up to the presidential election in 9 out of the last 11 elections. The only 3 exceptions to this were in 1980, 1992, and 2016. And lastly, home prices have actually increased in 7 out of the last 8 election cycles. The only time this didn't happen was in 2008, and as you may remember, that was a lot different than it is today. So while presidential elections do cause a lot of animosity and uncertainty for a lot of people, the cost of mortgages and also the real estate prices actually are not impacted as much as you might think. The housing market always has a way of stabilizing itself. Myself personally, I'm going into this year and into the future, staying optimistic and only focusing on what I can control. I hope you guys do the same.